Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I have a new challenge log. It's Pillar 4 from Lockpicking Coalminer. And well, it works nicely. So let's get it in a vise and pick it. Alright, there's a fourth set. There it is. Alright. So I had a small fold set and now I have a bigger fold set. I'm on 1 and 2 are very springy and I'm on 3 right now. Barely moves. Okay, so let's keep it that way. Let's go to 5 and 6 in the back. I lost the fold set, but I was able to set and I got the fold set back. Deeper fold set now. I'm on the last pin, way in the back. I get a lot of counter rotation, and we open. Nice, very nice. So Lockpicking Coalminer number 3. Put that there and get some tools ready here. Printed a new one in purple. I really like these pocket trays. Made by good people. So let me see. Okay, we got a C-clip here. And then I guess we can just take out the core. I might need a tiny screwdriver. There's the key. I want to move it around so I can like grab it, or like that's fine too. Now we need, it fits, and a shim would be good, I guess. Alright, so let's do the first tweezers. I need tweezers very quickly. That's my small tweezer. I have a smaller tweezer which is pretty... Oh, I'll take this one. Let's get out 2. So that's pin 6 is standard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the chamber is serrated. So pin 5 is got a little serration and it's on both sides around it. Very tiny serrations on it. Same here, both sides rounded and little serration. Pretty much the same. Serrated tip. Small direction of a spool, but yeah, with serrations. And all chambers up to now are with serrations in it. So also rounded tip, little serration, some spoolie parts, tiny spoolie parts. And as you can see, we got serrated in here. So that was the core. I'll show you the key really quickly. So let's look at the pins. Check out, that's the front part. So this got spool elements. Yeah. And the spring looks pretty standard. I'm not good at getting out these. That's a pretty deep spool here. Spring looks pretty normal. If I see a different spring, I will take them out, but right now they look all the same. Well, spoolie part and little serration on top. Two spools in here, two cuts basically. Couldn't grab it. That's a really deep spool. And the last one doesn't want to come out. Oh, that's a nasty looking for. That's a different spring. Here we got a pin and pin with serrations on it. Very nice. We got a different spring, so I need to take the springs out. This is spring number 2. This is spring 6. Oh, I see the chambers are serrated too. Well, that is hard to do on this. Oh no, you can't access from the back. Okay, so it's not that hard to do. That's probably the crunchy part on this lock. It's a very tiny spring on number 1. Alright. So let me zoom in. Oh yeah, that's already the maximum zoom I got here. So as you can see, chambers, maybe I cannot. Chambers are all serrated. Everything is serrated in here. Pretty nice pins. A lot of spool kind of pins, some serrations. So this is a standard pins with serrations. Yeah. Well, this was Lockpicking Coalminer LPCM number 3. It's called Panda-Frog. Made on the 24th of June 20 by Lockpicking Coalminer. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.